Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 3 of our adventures in New Hampshire. And right now we are checking out of the Green Granite Inn. And it's a little bit rainy today, but we're going to kind of improvise. We were going to do a bunch of waterfalls, but we're going to do some shopping. There's a few cool shops that are here. So yeah, we're going to go and check those out, like a Christmas shop. You guys can see from behind me what it looks like. So, all right, I will see you at our first stop for today. Throughout North Conway, you will notice dozens of quaint shops and restaurants along the way. We will stop at a few popular locations today, including Zeb's General Store, the Penguin Gift Shop, and several others. Within these stores, you will find numerous handcrafted items from talented local artisans. Others feature freshly made chocolates and candies, and personalized gifts for special occasions. Alright guys, we just checked out this little place called the Penguin. They have a bunch of souvenirs. I'll put some pictures on the screen you guys could see. So we are walking the town now in North Conway. You can see it's a little bit rainy today, but still it's not that bad. It's a nice church. So we're gonna go check out this other store called Zeb's General Store now. Okay. Just right down here too. It's only a couple stores over. Really nice outside. Look at this. Oh my God, look at those little wooden reindeer. You see that? This is the chocolate case at Zeb's. Look at this.
Yeah, well, and my daughter's like, no, yeah. But, you know those crazy pictures of his own one kid? That was...
Ask anyone in Mount Washington Valley, New Hampshire where to find the best shopping experience, and they'll point you to Zeb's General Store in the heart of North Conway Village. Reminiscent of its namesake, Zeb Tilton, a colorful schooner captain, husband to 3 wives, and New England folk hero. Zeb's General Store embodies the nostalgia and quality offered by old-time general stores with its whimsical flair. From the old-fashioned candy counter that lures children off the streets to the impressively grand collection of New England-made specialty foods, those in search of a wide range of hard-to-find nostalgic items will relive childhood memories while browsing the store in over 5,000 unique products, all presented in an incredible display of antique store fixtures. Alright guys, we're just walking down here after we left Zeb's. We got a couple souvenir mugs and some fudge. Probably one of the coolest shops we've been in so far. Well, that's a nice place too. You can see how detailed it is. I know, look at that. What's it called? Horse feathers. It's really a nice town though. And we ate... Where? Oh, really? Oh, that's cool. 5 cents and 10 cent store. Their 85th year.
You gotta go there. Let's go across the season.